Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to create performance metrics and scorecards in teamwork.com. Step 1 is to log into your teamwork.com account. The reason we do this is simple. Without logging in, we can't access the platform's tools and features. Once we're in, we head to the dashboard section. Here, we find a plethora of options, but we're specifically looking for metrics and scorecards. This helps us because it offers a centralized place to create and manage performance metrics. Next up, click Create New. You'll be prompted to choose between metric or scorecard. For our purposes, select metric. This is key because metrics are quantifiable measurements used to track and assess the status of a specific business process. Now, fill in the necessary details. Name your metric, define it, set its type, and assign it a unit. This is where we customize our performance metric to the needs of our project or team. Once you're satisfied, hit Save. Your new metric will now be available in your metrics list. This step finalizes the creation process and brings your metric into existence. But we're not done yet. Now let's create a scorecard. Scorecards are a visual display of the most important information needed to achieve one or more objectives. Back in the Metrics and Scorecards section, select Create New again, but this time choose Scorecard. Much like with metrics, we'll fill in the necessary details, name your scorecard, and then select the metrics you want to include from your metrics list. Each scorecard can contain multiple metrics, making them a fantastic tool for tracking performance across several areas. Once you're done, hit Save. Your new scorecard will now be available in your scorecards list. This final step wraps up the process, and you've now created both a performance metric and a scorecard in teamwork.com. And that's it. You've just learned how to create performance metrics and scorecards in teamwork.com. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.